Oh, it's all brown. See that? I'm still gonna eat it. Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Viv, and today I am here with Melody, who looks like she is out of focus. Oh, no, here we both are in focus. Ah, thumbnail. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, and today is a very special day because we are going to the American Girl place in the Yorkdale Mall in Toronto to meet some really awesome Canadian AGIGers, and I am so excited. I have not been to a meetup in a hot second, and I also haven't been to the Yorkdale Mall in 2 years since I got Melody. So yeah, this will be a exciting time for Vivian. This meetup was organized by my good friend here on AGIG and AGTube, ALLYCATLOVESAG. Her channel will be linked in the description box down below, as well as everyone else's channels, Instagrams, you name it. It's all going to be down in the description box down below. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and introduce this vlog while I still have my camera, because I'm not going to be taking it with me. I'm just going to be vlogging on my phone. But yeah, this is what Melody is wearing. Everything is made by me, of course, like it normally is, and I don't know what I'm going to wear yet because I am still currently in my pajamas. So I will come back to you when I am ready to go, and yeah. Alright, so before I actually went to the meetup, I had a little bit of a pizza break, and then I went and I got dressed. This is what I wore to the meetup, and then I arrived early at the mall, so I did a little bit of shopping, and I visited this really cool, like, pop-up art gallery within the mall by this artist called Anthony Ricciardari. I don't know if I said that right. I apologize if I didn't. But the art gallery itself was really cool. It had a lot of cool, like, Instagrammable spaces. So I will leave information to that in the description box down below. And while I was killing time, I also visited the Tesla store because Tesla, yes, we stan. And I also visited this really cool macaron shop. I don't remember what it was called, but it was really cute inside and had a little cafe that I didn't eat in. But now here is the chaotic footage from the meetup, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Freaking feet time. We're at the meetup. Feet reveal. Feet reveal. Shoe reveal. Shoe reveal. Everyone say hi to the floor. These are so pretty. Hi. Look, we've got stuff. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the squad. $7 whole dollars? You saved $7 whole dollars? What is that? What? These are Allie's hands. Alley Cat Loves AG. Those are her hands, and this is her doll. And we are here at the American Girl place with. Hi. Oh wait, do you want your face in it? Okay. Sure. Okay. We are here with the one and only
Maddie for superfundolls.
Yeah. Hi, Maddie.
Hey guys. It's me, Genevieve here. Let me show you what I'm buying. Oh, so I'm buying these earrings because they are so fun and fresh, and I'm buying this sweater. She's been growing on me. Oh, and 42. Tobin.
Hey everybody. I'm shook. Welcome back to the feet cam. I'm with Kaylee here, Dolls in the Rain, and we just found out that we live near each other.
We live so close, guys.
So
collabs in the future.
Collabs in the future. You know? Comment down below what you think we should do.
Right. Let's have a petition to get Vivian to come sleep at my house.
Yes, sleepover. 24 hours at Dolls in the Rain's house. No clickbait. I do the doll vlog thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
You know what I thought of when I did that? Oh, these are funny macaroni. Okay.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping. Vroom vroom, I'm in me mom's car.
Vroom vroom.
Get out, me car.
I'm gonna be the horse in the back.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got that horse in the back.
Miss. I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend. I bet he doesn't kiss ya.
Oh my god, the vlog isn't gonna be great, but like, you know what? The experience is pretty fun.
What's the bigger mood, that or this? Well,
okay.
What a mood.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Sponsored by White Whale Company. Come on boys, let's get this bread.
Happy fun.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
I think I know more about American Girl
BeForever than you do, genius.
How did you meet Sierra at the airport?
So after we went to the American Girl place, we ended up at Cheesecake Factory for dinner, and unfortunately our group got split up between 2 tables, but it was still a really great way to end the day.
Don't forget, what about your camera? Do you have that?
What?
Do you have your camera? So I'm with Maddie, Superfundolls. That's her cup.
And there's my doll.
There's the
There's
dolls.
the dollies. There's Genevieve.
There's
Woo!
Genevieve from Dollsandsquirrels, and then Allie is sitting over there with her sister. And we also have Kanani from Aria from MimiBDolls. I got my food. They got their food. Everyone else is waiting for their food, but I'm about to mow this cheesecake. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Allie had to leave, but it's me, Naomi, and Kaylee, and we are taking pictures. Squad goals. I have to leave, which is sad, but we are doing one more little photo shoot.
So in customary Viv vlog traditions, I didn't film an outro to the vlog, but I wanted to come in and show you guys the pictures that we took at the meetup, as well as the pictures that I took with Naomi and Kaylee at the pop-up art gallery. I am so incredibly grateful that I was able to attend this meetup, so thank you again for Allie for organizing it. And again, everyone's links to their Instagrams and YouTube channels will be listed in the description box down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog just as much as I enjoyed attending the meetup myself. I don't know why it was so hard for me to get that sentence out. But anyways, that is again it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I will stop rambling now, and I will see you next time in another video. Bye!